Alright, so here's a list of stocks that I'm going to be watching in today's trading session. It's Thursday. 1 hour before market open, we have unemployment claims, so be cautious of that. I personally don't trade. I don't have a position open during economic reports while they're reporting, but here on the ES, the intraday levels that I'm watching is 59.72.25. So below this, I'll be looking for downside, and on the upside above 59.99, above that I'll be looking for upside plays. First stock I have is Microsoft. So on Microsoft, we're kind of breaking this channel right now, but I was interested in the 465.69. If we can get above that, I'll play that break. We're currently breaking the 30-minute trend right now, so we'll see if we have that open still at market open. But next one is Starbucks at 88.54. I'll be watching this 88.54 break with room up to 89.16, so we'll see about that. Next one is AVGO. If you go to the 1 hour time frame, I'm interested in the 265.43. If we can get that break, I'll be interested there. On the 30-minute time frame, I have a level at 257 down here. I mean, if we get down there, we could also play that. I could set my alert. I'm gonna go ahead and do that real fast. So down here at 257, you could play that for the break to the downside. But I'm more interested in this 265.43 break to the upside. Next is Nvidia. This one's on the 1 hour time frame. I'm interested in this 142.62. So we kind of have this 1 hour trend here. Let me show you. We have this 1 hour trend here. If we can break this trend and we can get up to 142.62, I would like to play that to the upside. Right now, downside, we're pretty far away. It's 139.54. I don't think that we'll get that today. Next is no, I'm not really too interested in crowd. Tesla really doesn't have too great of a setup on the 1 hour or 4 hour, but I do like to trade Tesla, and we're actually about to break this level here right now. I was just interested in this 323.56 level, so if we can break this level here, I'd be interested to play the downside, but it looks like we've already broke it, so I don't know. We'll see what happens at market open with Tesla. Lulu is on the 1 hour time frame, so I'm watching Lulu. I'm watching this 340.25. If we can get above that, I think if we hold above 330 and we push back into 340.25, whether if that's today or tomorrow or next week, I think that'd be a good play. So next is BABA. I have on the 1 hour time frame, I have 121.33. So we already broke this 116.60. We broke it actually yesterday, pre-market or after-market hours. We retested it during pre-market hours and then kind of squeezed up after that. But here we are right here, pre-market hours, approaching this 121.33. So if we can get that break at market open, I'll play that to the upside. Next is FedEx. FedEx is a 4 hour level that I'm interested in, is 221.90. So if we can get above 221.90 right here, I'd play that. I'd play that breakout right there. Next is Roku. I have Roku. This one's also a 4 hour level. We have a trend here. We've kind of been respecting it. We bounced off it here, here. Yesterday pre-market we held it pretty nice. We pushed up and then we're just hovering right above it, over it again pre-market today. So if we can get to 76.40, I'll take that. Next is SMCI. I'm watching the 1 hour chart. I'm watching this 440. Oh, I'm tripping. I'm sorry. 44.72. I'm watching 44.72. So if we can get above that there, but you can see right now this 44.20 is kind of acting as a nice little resistance right here. So you see we rejected here, we rejected here, we kind of got close. We wicked, strong rejection, hard rejection right here, rejected, rejected, rejected. So if we can break 44.18, turn that into a support, and then push into 44.72, I'd like to take that right there. So that's another stock I'm looking at. The next one is MA. I'm watching, I think this is a 4 hour, yeah, 588.45. So you can see right here, we rejected this once, twice, 3 times, and both here and here we got pretty close. But if we can get 588.45, we can break that. I'll be looking to play that break into the 590. We'll see how that goes. And then last is QCOM on the 1 hour. So on the 1 hour, if we pull that chart up, this one's actually a downside play. I'm watching 147.39. If we can get down to 147.39, it's kind of far away, but we'll see. It's actually 147.38, so I'll have my alert set for that. Okay, we'll see how that goes. And then lastly, I like to check the VIX out. I like to look at the VIX. If I go over to the, where is it, the 30 minute, I believe it is, yeah, the 30 minute, you can see right here. So this is the volatility index. So if we're above 1807, I'd say that, you know, upside is kind of high risk. It's a little uncertain. So above 1807, I'll be a little bit more cautious with my long positions. This pretty much just kind of tells you the fear in the market, whether or not, if there's a lot of fear or there's a lot of confidence. And below 1741, that's a good sign that markets can keep pushing. And above 1807, that's a good sign that, you know, markets may be pulling back or might not have the strength that it needs to continue higher at the moment intraday. So yeah, those are my levels. I'm at work right now. This is my work laptop, so if the sound or quality of the video is not all that great, that's why. So if any of you guys are watching the same stocks or the same setups, let me know, comment down below. And if any of you guys take these setups or are currently invested into any of these stocks, comment down below. I want to know what you guys are looking at as well. Without much more being said, I got to get back to work. I'm not a full-time trader yet, so